Hello everyone, and welcome to this special episode of Cleaning Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to tackle one of the biggest challenges of cleaning, how to clean without leaving streaks. Let's be real, streaks are the bane of any cleaner's existence. They ruin the hard work that you put into cleaning your windows, mirrors, or any shiny surface. But fear not, because I'm here to help you get rid of those streaks for good. I know, I've been there too, but don't worry, I've got a foolproof solution that will leave your surfaces sparkling clean without a single streak in sight. The first thing you need to do is grab a microfiber cloth. Microfiber is key because it's gentle on your surfaces and won't leave any marks. And of course, you'll need a cleaning solution made specifically for streak-free cleaning. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals like vinegar or Windex. Now let's talk about the technique. The secret to streak-free cleaning is all in the way you wipe. Make sure to wipe in one direction and don't overdo it. Too much wiping can actually cause streaks. And there you have it. Clean windows, mirrors, or any shiny surface without leaving any streaks. It's that simple. But just in case, here's a few extra tips to keep in mind. Make sure you have enough cleaning solution on your cloth, but not too much. If you use too much solution, it can leave water spots and streaks. Also, make sure to use a clean microfiber cloth for each surface you clean. If you use the same cloth for multiple surfaces, it can transfer dirt and leave streaks. And there you have it, folks. Cleaning without leaving streaks has never been easier. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!